Hi everyone. So in this video we are going to learn about how you can use Google LM Studio in your system, and we will use Google LM Studio for our SEO task. Okay, so let me correct it. Google LM Studio. So from here you can download it directly in your system. You just click on choose the platform that you are using and just click on download. Once it is downloaded, you can directly access it from your app section. I've already downloaded that. Now let's start using. I was using it earlier, so let's clear it. Before starting, let me give you a basic overview. I have not used this Google LM Studio much, but here. So here list of the um, language model, and you can use any language model as per your requirement. So you just need to download it. Once you download any language model, you can use you will get the option for use in new chat. Before downloading, I suggest check the um, file size. So some of the language models are having a um, file size of more than 1 GB. So I have downloaded a two language model. So just click on use in chat. You can directly change any your language more preferred language model directly from here. Okay, so let me give you a simple example. What is the capital of France? Okay, the capital of France is Paris. Let's start with the basic. What is digital marketing? Tell me the keyword intent of. Okay, it's MAR. Okay, just click on send. Or is it informational? Okay, perfect. Now write a SEO focused blog on the topic. What is digital marketing, and and my primary keywords are, let remove my, and my focused keywords are digital marketing and what is digital marketing. Now try some giving a competitor's URL. So what is digital marketing? I'm just copying the URL and follow the content structure from these competitors. So let's say I'm giving a 1 second. I will take Oracle. A second is Oracle. Okay, that's fine. Now let's see what we are getting. Click on send. Okay, the key components. We have benefits. Let's open any blog and see if it is for. So in the MailChimp, we have digital marketing, is by importance types, content, social media, pay per click, uh, benefits, how to create. Okay, strategies, tools, software, component, benefits, tools. I guess it is not completely following the links, or let's open another URL that we had shared. Importance, we are getting strategies, how digital marketing works, KPI. If you see our content structure strategies too, I don't think it is following the URL and or it is accessing the internet. Okay, so yeah, that will very obvious that it is using the system, so that why it is unable to use the URLs. Now let's change it to add some. Let's see if it can add some visual. Add some image. Add relevant images for each content heading. Okay, so I guess the model is unable to generate the image. Mm, Relevant for each content heading. Strategies, benefits. Okay, let's try another thing. Give me meta tags for the above block. Okay, perfect. The title we are getting, the description. Okay, keyword tag. It is also here, header tag. Okay, cool. So we are also getting the open graph. Okay, but we need to change it the path of image to cars. Mhm. Generate article schema. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Okay, we need to change the date from here. and we need to give some information also. So it is directly taking the keywords, URL is taking word count, digital marketing count. Okay, perfect. Okay, so as you can see, this is how you can use this LM Studio for your SEO task, and it is really great until unless if your system can handle this file sizes. Now, if I talk about this, some of my previous session chats, they are okay. Okay, so yeah, so this is how you can use this Google LM Studio, and you can do your experiment lang which model is perfectly suits you. Each model has its own advantage and disadvantage. So I'm not aware, so do your own research. I will try to cover more models in the coming videos. So this is for now. This is all for now. And if you have any suggestions or if you want to ask anything, you can ask in the comment section. And thanks for watching. Let's meet in next video.